Bioweapons are microorganisms like virus, bacteria, fungi, or other toxins that are produced and released deliberately to cause disease and death in humans, animals, or plants. For this experiment, we will be creating a protective device for our bioweapon, which will be represented by an egg. We'll make a plan, create a design, and construct using the given materials to ensure that the egg will not be broken upon contact to the ground when it is dropped from a too high floor of a building or your house. For this experiment to be successful, each member was given a task to lead a step in creating this bioweapon protective device.
Our group decided that our device will look like this. This protective device is made up of yarn, newspaper, and tape. So, if all of this went according to plan, when we let it go from the second floor of the building, the egg will not crack when it reaches the ground because our falling device will create friction between the air around it and itself, increasing its drag and slowing it down. When it reaches the ground, all the kinetic energy will be transferred to the protective device and the egg, but the protective device will soak up most of the impact, leaving our egg intact.
Is the disaster and risk of our activity. Make sure the area is clear wherein the experiment was to be held to ensure the safety from bioweapons. For example, find the wide space, has a less object or things around, and make sure if there are things that are fragile around. Second, check all the materials if it's good and suitable for the said experiment to avoid misfortune. In our experiment, we need to measure the size of the egg to make sure the egg would be fit. If it is not, there is a tendency that the egg will be broke. Make sure the materials are correctly organized or placed in the correct position. If it's not, the experiment will not be successful.